Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering identifiers, receipt number, alien registration number, and the passport that matches your filing. Open a secure browser window and sign into your Uscis online account. Create one if you don't have it. Once logged in, navigate to your My Uscis dashboard and click the Profile or Case History area. Make sure your email is verified and two-step authentication is handled. This first phase ensures the system recognizes you and exposes. Once done, go to your profile or account settings. The Uscis online account number is often shown under Account Info or Security Settings. If not visible there, open a specific case entry under My Cases. Look for links that say Linked Account or Online Account Number. Make sure to expand any terse labels and read the small print fields. You can also search archived verification emails and the account audit log for an account ID. These steps reveal the precise number tied to your filings. Finish by confirming the number against your receipt and A number to avoid mismatches. Copy it into a secure note and your case folder. If the account number isn't listed or fields differ, clear cache, try another browser, and recheck account links. Make sure your account email and security settings are current. If problems persist, gather screenshots, receipt numbers, and A number, then contact Uscis online support or call for help. Providing exact identifiers speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.